Hello guys, welcome to our channel Reviewing Indian. Today we are going to have a look at the new Suzuki Access 125 BS6 with the key changes. So I'll quickly take you through the key changes. There are many. There are two key changes with the new Suzuki Access BS6 125. The first and foremost change is basically this LED DRLs. So what happened was that the previous BS6 vehicle had the normal bulb here. Now they replaced it with this beautiful LED DRL which looks beautiful at night. I will leave some shots of that. So that is one change. And second and the only biggest change is basically this digital instrument cluster. So you can see that previously they had this analog and digital combo. Now they replaced it with the completely digital cluster with the connectivity feature. So let me take you through the features. So let me take you through the basic features. There is a flickering. It's not actually, there isn't any problem with the screen, but this is basically the refresh rate of my camera and the screen refresh rate matching. Other than that, there is no issue here. You will see only a normal screen. So basically you will see this digital clock here, fuel gauge here, temperature meter, which is a good thing because especially useful when you are going for long rides. Then digital speedometer. Then there are like battery voltage meter. So you have odometer, twin trip meters and a battery voltage meter which was available in the old Suzuki Access also. Then you can see that there are like telltale lights like the engine warning light, high beam, low beam light, and there is also a notification light. So in case after you have connected your phone to this meter, which I will tell you how to do that, if you get any notification like missed calls or messages, you will see the light blinking here. Then that's there. So what you have to do now is that we have to download the Suzuki Rider Connect app, then pair it with this instrument cluster to use the connectivity features. Basically there are three main connectivity features. Basically there is navigation, message alert and the missed call alert. So first of all what you have to do is that you have to download the Suzuki Rider Connect app. And once you open it, once you register or normally you add your name and everything, you will turn on the Bluetooth. Then you will see this code there. Now you can see that SASO 100002068. You will see that in the app. Once you click that, it will connect. So let us do that, then let's talk further. Now you can see that I've connected my app with the vehicle. So now you can see that there are, if you press this mode, you will see the unread SMSs. Then you can see that missed call alerts here. Then you can also go back. So this is what you can see here. If you toggle this button, you can see the missed call as well as message alerts here. And if you get any messages or missed call, what it will do is that it will blink here, this notification light. So that's useful. Apart from that, you can see that there is symbol which showing that your mobile is connected. Then it's showing the mobile range, then mobile battery. So those things are already there. Now let's talk about the navigation part. So what you have to do is that you have to turn on the location first, then only this app will connect first of all. Then once you do that, you have to go to the navigation part, which I will show now. Once you connect that, once you put your location, you will see start seeing the instructions basically. So what you see is that basically the signals here to take left and right turn. So let me go to that and show. Now you can see that the app has been connected. So you can see that it shows the distance to the location, estimated time of arrival. Estimated time of arrival tells you how much time it will take for you to reach the destination. Also you can see that arrow, it will tell you where to go straight, take left, take U-turn or where to go in the junction. Also you can see this bar. This is very interesting. So what this bar shows is that if there is like 500 meters or less for the next turn, this will keep coming down. So for example, there are 5 bars here. You can see that. Let's say there are only 200 meters for the next turn. You will only see the 2 bars. So that is interesting. So it's very useful, especially when you're going for long drives where you don't want to take your phone out quite often, but you have to get used to it. And by each update of the app, it kind of improves. So that's about this part. So the navigation feature is useful, the messaging feature and the missed call feature is also useful, and you will also get a LED DRL. These are the changes. And if you want more information, you can just leave the comment below, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So thanks for watching. Other than that, there is not much change. The vehicle feels peppy and light and agile as useful, and it's one of the best value for money scooters in 125cc segment. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, comment.